Hello guys, so nag-solo orb nga pala ako sa rank kaya naglela ako dito, panoodin ninyo hanggang dulo tapos puro may nangyaring masama.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle. Ultra smash them. The gun
Alaban ko pala dito ay si Mia at si Estes kaya laki ako patay. Muntik lang nga ako doon namatay pero nakatakas naman ako.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Understood. The gun represents justice when pointing at bad
Bitas. Muntik lang nga pala ako doon namatay kay Mia pero hindi ako naligtas. Puro nalabanwi naman ako sa kanila. Matay ako dito guys. Nakatakas sana ako dun pero hindi ko inasahan na pop yun, tapala sila dun.
The gun represents justice when pointing at bad guys. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice when pointing at bad guys. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Gonna save someone this time.
Naghang pa nga ako dito guys, hinantay ko muna na pumihilahang.
The gun represents enemy has slain the turn pointing at bad That one little girl is gonna save.
Yan nga guys, hindi na po naghang kaya lumaban na ako dito.
The gun represents justice battle. Understood. Pointing at bad guys. Request backup. Okay. That one little girl is gonna initiate retreat. Okay. The gun represents justice. Pointing at bad guys.
Nabawian ko nga dito si Mia, puro namatay naman. Inambush na naman nga ako dito ni Mia kaya namatay ako.
The gun represents justice. Ally has
Hero patay current siya.
Okay. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad
The
guy.
enemy has initiated retreat. Understood.
That once little girl.
Initiate retreat.
Yawa na yan, namatay na naman ako, gago yan.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Pointing at the bad guy.
Launch attack. Understood. Our turret has been destroyed.
Putang ina yan, palagi na lang ako patay dito, yawa. Kingnan mo naman nga kanila skirt, talagang libre na nga, yawa yan.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Okay. Our turret has been destroyed.
Namimigay pala ko ng skin at diamond at kung bago ka kalang sod at like muna ta at follow muna.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
Okay, the gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Shut down. Necessary. An enemy has been slain. Understood. Killing spree.
Normal clear ng minions nga ako dito at bigla lang sumilpot si Mia dito kaya napitas niya ako dito.
Request backup.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Launch attack. You have been slain. Understood.
Requesting at the bad guys.
Under attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Kaya nga nanalo pa kami, di joke lang, ha 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 ha.
Defeat.
Talo! Sorry, sorry.